Hi, good morning, friends. This is a simple scenery drawing for beginners. I have made this using Procreate. So, this is a time lapse video and it's up to 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. So, you can pause this video if you think it's fast. But I have just did the motions of tracing the outline initially and then pouring the colors into it through the Procreate. So you can see how I create the outlines initially of the mountains and the clouds. As you can see there, you can improvise it the way what I will say is you can change the way I have laid out the clouds. You can provide it with a different shape and be creative as you do it. I love making drawings, and these are very basic and simple drawings which I have created for students and beginners who can have a look at how some drawings can be done. So people normally struggle with how to create the outlines, so that's why I'm just creating the outlines initially here. So you can see after the outlines are done, we have added we are starting to add some color into it. So consider this as like two papers here. So this is the first paper which we are drawing the outline, and then we're just filling the colors to the clouds. Most currently, as you can see, there's black, gray, and we'll be adding some red and yellow colors. So that's the clouds. So it's like a sunset. So it's in the evening, you will have a mixture of black, gray, and some yellowish, red and orange colors and textures coming into it. So that's where we are pouring the colors into the outlines. So things are getting better and clear here. We'll be uploading simple drawings like this on a daily basis. So if you like these ones and like to learn, please subscribe to our channel and gives it a thumbs up. Or you can ask through the comments if you want me to upload any particular video. Let me know, we'll be doing it. So this is more focused on beginners and youngsters who wants to give it a crack, see if they can create something for a poster or a birthday card or like a gift to someone. So this is a very easy one to do. So you can see we filled the whole area with different colors, and we'll change the textures as well. As you can see, like we're just experimenting with different colors there. The shades coming from the moon. Yeah, so that's pretty much the drawing there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.